everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to share YouTube videos on Facebook page automatically. So I am an owner of a travel agency, and to create more customers engagement I post content related to my business on my YouTube channel. Here what I want is that as soon as I'm going to share a new video, I'm going to publish a new video on my YouTube channel, I want to share that same video with the video details on my Facebook page to create more customers engagement for my business and to gain more viewers. Now, sharing the post manually on my Facebook page after publishing every new video on my YouTube channel is very time consuming. So what I did was I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation, I'm going to build a connection between YouTube and Facebook page with the help of it. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to share YouTube videos on Facebook page automatically. So as an owner of a travel agency, I use YouTube to share my travel guides and destinations videos to inspire potential clients and showcase exciting travel experiences. And I also use Facebook to engage with my audience, attract new travelers, and promote my latest tours. However, manually sharing the new video that has been published on my YouTube channel on my Facebook page can be very time consuming. So to streamline this, I've automated this entire process. So now whenever I'm going to publish a new video on my YouTube channel for my travel agency, automatically a post of that YouTube published video is going to be created in my Facebook page. This automation saves me time and ensures my followers can stay inspired by the fresh travel content and helps me reach out more clients effortlessly. And I'm going to be creating this amazing automation between YouTube and Facebook page with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Share YouTube Videos on Facebook Page Automatically. So this is the name that I want, okay? It is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select YouTube Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Share YouTube Videos on Facebook Page Automatically, and you can see there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We're going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as YouTube. As on my YouTube channel, I am posting videos related to my travel agency. I want that as soon as I'm going to publish a new video on my YouTube channel, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why the trigger application, I'm going to select it as YouTube, and for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new video in channel with video URL. I'm going to select the trigger event, okay? After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with YouTube. As I'm going to do that, a new window is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission. So I'm going to click on this continue button. As this C process, my data is perfectly saved with Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to click on this continue button. As you can see that YouTube is now been authorized with Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for the channel ID. So I've created a channel over here, the name of demo channel you can see right over here. So for the channel ID, I'm going to select the channel on which I'm going to publish my YouTube videos on, okay? After selecting the channel ID, over here you can see it says Save and Set Test Request button. As you're going to click on this button, what is going to happen? The last video that you've uploaded on the YouTube channel is going to be captured in the response right over here. So I've uploaded this video. If I'm going to open this video right over here. So I've uploaded uploaded this video over here in the name of Ready for a Desert Adventure. See what we can offer you. This is the description right over here. This is the thumbnail with all the other details of this video. Okay. As I'm going to click on the save and send test request button, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of this last video that I've uploaded. So I'm going to click on this button right over here. As I've clicked on it, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has captured the response. Over here, we've received the video URL. You can see right over here. And if I'm going to scroll down, you can see the title of the video is Ready for Desert Adventure. See what we can offer you. Okay. This was the title of the video. You can see right over here. And for the description, if I'm going to show you, you've received the description. This is the same description that we have added. You can see right over here. Okay. With all the other details like the thumbnail, the name of the channel, you can see right away with all the other details. Okay. As we have successfully captured the response, this means that YouTube is now been connected to Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. Now, whenever a new video is going to be uploaded on our YouTube channel, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. But if you're not going to receive the response immediately, then do not worry. As over here, you can see it says 10 minutes. What is this? This is a polling duration. As YouTube is a polling based application, that means that in every 10 minutes, the polling duration, YouTube is going to send the new data to Pabbly Connect. Okay. And if you want to make any changes in this polling duration, go to the three dots and set trigger time right over here. A dialog box is then going to appear which is asking for the trigger time. Over here, if I'm going to click on the drop down, you can see the minimum trigger time is 10 minutes and the maximum is 24 hours. You can set up the trigger time according to your requirement and save the changes. Okay. I wanted it as 10 minutes, so I'm going to leave it like that. So if you're not going to receive the response immediately, then do not worry. After 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. Okay. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. And our objective is that as soon as a new video is going to be published on our YouTube channel, I want to share it on my Facebook page that I've created so that I can gain more viewers and my audience can know about the video that I've uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay. So in order to do that, we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as Facebook pages. I'm going to select my action application as Facebook pages. And for the action event, I'm going to select it as create page post because as I want to create a post on my Facebook page, that is why for the action, I'm going to select it as create page post. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it says connect with Facebook pages. Before click on this button, log into your Facebook account on a new tab so that creating a connection between Pabbly Connect and Facebook pages can be much easier. Okay. After that, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook pages. As you can see, we successfully authorized Facebook pages to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select a page. So for the page over here, I'm going to select the page that I've created in the name of Voyage Ventures. So what I'm going to do is for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Voyage Ventures as I want to create a post on this page right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for the message, the post that we are going to publish. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is the message that I have. It says new video alert. I'm excited to share my latest video with you all. In this video, I'll dive into over here. It is asking for the video title. Don't forget to like, comment, share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. Over here, these are the tags of the post. Okay. Over here, it is asking for the video title. So for the data of the video title, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to select this data, you can see this for the previous step, that is YouTube, new video and channel. If I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. Over here, it is asking for the YouTube title. I have received the title. You can see right over here. This is the title of the video that was published on our YouTube channel. So I'm going to select this data from my previous response. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. It is asking for the link URL. In place of this link URL, I'm going to map the data of the video URL that we have received in our previous step of the video that we have published on our YouTube channel. Okay. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I'm going to do that, you can see over here we've received a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open a Facebook page and I'm going to check whether a new post has been created on my Facebook page or not. For that, I'm going to open my Facebook page that I've created. So this is my Facebook page. I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, if I'm going to scroll down, you can see a new post has been created on my Facebook page. If I'm going to see the post, you can see it says new video alert. I'm excited to share my latest video and dive into the ride for the desert adventure. See what we can offer you. So this was the caption you can see of the video that we have posted. Don't forget to like, comment, share your thoughts. And you can see right over, if I'm going to click on this, this is the same video that we have published on our YouTube channel. You can see right over here, it's been created as a post. You can see this is the same video. It's been created as a post on my Facebook page. Okay, as now the post is successfully created on my Facebook page, this means that we successfully created an automation between YouTube and Facebook pages with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a travel agency and I have created a YouTube channel on which I promote my business by gathering more audience for my travel agency. I post videos like the traveling videos or guides. Okay, here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to share a new video on my YouTube channel, I want to create a post of that same video on my Facebook page that I've created so that I can create more customers engagement or I can gather more audience for my travel agency. Okay, and in order to do that, what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process between YouTube and Facebook pages with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.